is dangerous and scary visuals of flash floods in Nepal. The post by Indian journalist Piyush Rai shares dramatic aerial video of a massive muddy flash flood surging through a riverside town in Nepal, sweeping away structures and generating huge dust clouds as residents watch from higher ground. The footage depicts the catastrophic flooding that struck Nepal's Rasuwa district on August 26, 2026, that is today, along the Tibet border, where an earthquake likely triggered an ice rock avalanche into the Bote Koshi river system. The disaster caused dozens of deaths, hundreds of missing people, including many foreign tourists, and widespread destruction of roads, bridges, and hydropower infrastructure on both sides of Nepal Tibet border. It is a real footage, not AI generated. The X post shares authentic video of the actual flash floods that struck Nepal's Rasuwa district and the adjacent Tibet-China border area, including Gyirong Port on August 26, 2026, that is today. Major news organizations including BBC, which verified clips and geolocated some to the Trishuli Bazaar area routers. The New York Times and others have reported extensively on the disaster, describing matching scenes of muddy torrents, bridges being swept away, multi-storied buildings collapsing on or submerged, and widespread destruction along the Bote Koshi related river system. Multiple independent videos from different angles and sources including CCTV and surveillance footage, ground level clips, and aerial views are circulating and treated as genuine by journalists and officials. The event caused dozens of confirmed deaths with hundreds of missing, including many tourists. Scientists, officials link it primarily to a rock ice avalanche or glacier collapse, possibly associated with seismic signals, which triggered a debris-laden flash flood debris flow, not heavy local rain alone. While the scale can look almost unreal, leading some viewers to initially question it, the visual style, consistency across source, geolocation by outlets like BBC Verify, and corroboration by on-the-ground reporting and official statements confirm these are real recordings of the ongoing disaster, not AI generated. Just let us see the video now. Yes. Very horrible. Very horrible. Very dangerous. Very scary. oh my God, see the buildings and bridges are collapsing. These floods are mostly of melting of icy lava avalanches. See the bridge is swept away totally.